Lesson 6, Day Off Week.
Conversation 1.
What days do you work?
I work Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. I don't work Wednesday.
Wow, that is a nice schedule.
Yeah, but I sometimes work on Saturday. What about you?
I work Monday to Friday.
Nice. You have weekends off.
Yes, I never work on Saturday or Sunday.
Conversation 2.
When is the party?
The party is on Saturday.
Oh, I have a game on Saturday.
Oh, that's too bad.
I am only free on Sunday.
Sorry, on Sunday I am busy. Conversation 3.
What days do you have English class?
I have class on Monday and Thursday.
When do you have math class?
I have maths class every day.
Ooh, what about history class?
I have history class on Wednesday.
Wow, you have a busy schedule.
I know. Conversation 4. When do you play soccer?
I play on Tuesday and Friday nights.
Nice. I only play on the weekends.
Really? Can I play with you?
Yes, we play on Saturday and Sunday at the park at 10.
Great. See you this weekend.
See you then.
Lesson 7, Nationalities.
Conversation 1.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and I study Spanish.
That's cool. Do you have friends from Spain?
No, but I like Mexican TV shows.
Me too. I love movies in Spanish.
Yeah, Spanish is so cool.
Conversation 2.
Do you like Japanese food?
Yes, I love Japanese food. I lived in Japan before.
Oh, do you speak Japanese?
Some. I have Japanese friends. I practice with them.
Do they speak English?
Yes, they speak English very well.
Conversation 3.
What foods do you like?
I like French food and Thai food.
Me too. I also love Chinese food.
Do you like Korean food?
Yes, and I also love K-pop.
What is K-pop?
K-pop is Korean pop music.
Conversation 4.
Do you like football?
Yes, I love football. I watch German football, Italian football, Spanish football.
Me too. I want to go to England to watch my team.
What is your team?
Chelsea. They play in the English Premier League.
Oh, my favorite team is AC Milan. They play in Italy.
Lesson 8, Sentence Patterns.
Conversation 1.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play volleyball and tennis. Do you play sports?
No, I don't play sports, but I exercise a lot.
Oh, what do you do?
I run, I swim, and I do yoga.
You do a lot.
Conversation 2.
Do you cook much?
No, but I cook breakfast every day.
What do you make?
I make omelets or pancakes. Do you cook?
Not breakfast. I eat breakfast at school.
Where do you eat?
Well, I buy a pastry at the bakery and eat it at school.
Conversation 3.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog. And you?
I have a dog and a cat.
Do they stay inside?
Yes, but I take my dog for a walk every day.
Me too. I walk my dog in the park.
Conversation 4.
When do you get up?
I get up at 6 every day. And you?
I get up at 7. I like to sleep in.
Lucky you. When do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11. And you?
I get to bed at 10. But then I read. And I fall asleep by 12.
Oh, that's late. I need my sleep.
Lesson 9, Subject Pronouns.
Conversation 1.
What does your mom do?
She is a chef at a restaurant.
Cool. That means she's a good cook.
Yes, she is a good cook.
Where does she work?
She works at an Italian restaurant.
Conversation 2.
What is your dad like?
He is funny. He's very friendly.
What does he look like?
He's tall and big.
Oh, how old is he?
He is 47.
Conversation 3.
Who are your friends?
Betty, Jason, and Laura.
Oh, are they students?
Yes, they are. They all study business.
Are they from around here?
No, they are all from different cities.
Conversation 4.
Are we there yet?
No, but we are close, I think.
How close are we?
We are 10, maybe 20 minutes away.
What? 20 minutes? Are we lost?
No, we are not lost. Trust me.
Lesson 10, Object Pronouns.
Conversation 1.
Did you call me?
Yes, I called you. Can you help me today?
Sure. What can I do for you?
Can you take me to school?
Okay. I can pick you up at 10.
Great. See you then.
Conversation 2.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Sue.
Do you talk to her every day?
Yes, I see her at school. I always meet her for lunch.
Oh, why do you like her?
She is nice and funny. She makes me laugh.
Conversation 3.
Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Mr. Wilson. I like him a lot.
Why do you like him?
Well, he is nice and he always helps me with my homework.
He sounds nice.
He is. We all love him.
Conversation 4.
Do you have my keys?
No, I put them on the table.
Great. I see them. What about my wallet?
I think you set it on the counter.
Really? I don't see it.
Well, I'll help you. One of us will find it.